Hey guys, Danny here from Keep It Reet, and here we have the black metallic Nissan R32 Skyline, and it's street registerable. All right, let's look under the bonnet. Now what do we have here? A Nissan twin cam 24 valve. We have a fan with some chicken coop wiring. We have a G-ready rocket ship. So we got some purple metallic bolts through here, and then we've got some...
Alright, thank you for all that useful information, Danny. As Danny said, it's a dead stock R32 Skyline coupe in the gloss metallic black, M-spec styles, RV20 DET with the manual and dose pipes, just how we like it. Come over here, Sonny. So we've done the custom intercooler piping jobby with airflow meter in the pipes for more and deleted the bob, completely shaved it off, no more bob. Got the good old coilovers for all the lows, as usual. Got the AVS Model 6s with the small boy tyres and perfect fitment. When we got this thing, it had a bit of a dent here. We took it down to Minnie's paint and panel and he fixed her right up, blended all the paint back to the genuine gloss metallic black. God damn. Woo. Listen to that Japanese made exhaust. Interior, so she clean, just pretty much stock. Got some flippy boy head unit thing, goes up. Got the 5-speed manual, always. And look at that steering wheel, not even ripping or peeling. That's it, don't forget, full street registerable car. Entries closed at the end of the month, keepitreit.com.